Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Sherina Febria Putri. I'm from high school 3 Banjar. I will tell you about my story. Hear my story. To be a doctor is my dream. Talking about dream, every human being born on earth must have them. Dream to be someone who is useful for life. I also have a dream that is no less big than most other humans, to become the best version of myself. When I was a little girl, I always said to myself, "You can do it," when things were just too hard to live with. Even when I was bullied at school, I always told to myself, "You have to keep fighting. You can't give up here." When I was a kid, I wanted to be a doctor. Doctor can cure everyone without any exception. Besides, doctor always looks smart and cool. He wore a white coat while walking. He always has a friendly smile and smiling to every people who come to him. Doctor always be a helper for sick people. One day, I visited a doctor, and he said that it's okay to be injected, and it's not hard. It feels like bitten by an ant. Then I thought that I injected was having something like bitten by ants. The ants who bite me must be as big as a tiger. Moreover, the doctor was very smart. He knew what kind of illness that people have according to examination. He gave us a prescription and medicines. Although the medicine was bitter, there is a sweet medicine too. We have to take it if we want to be healed. Doctor usually have two places that used to practice. Usually in the morning and in the evening, doctor open practice in their home. When in the morning and in the daylight period, they will open practice in hospital. In the hospital, doctor usually helped by a nurse to help their patient. Doctor never be tired to cure patient. But I have the hospital. Why they have to pay to be healed? Why the patient were discriminated? It's okay if they are discriminated according to their illness. But why they are discriminated according to how much can pay the fee? One day, I want to be doctor and build a hospital which never ever discriminate. My desire to become a doctor began when I was sick and could hardly be helped. But the doctor took really good care of me until I can be healthy again. My friends always say, "Can you really become a doctor?" Hearing that makes me more excited instead of complaining. Besides my wishes, my parents are supportive. I also asked my mother, "Mom, can I become a doctor?" Then she replied, "Yes, you can do it." Study hard, my daughter. Mom will always support and pray for you. I set my life goals from now on. I don't want to skip any class at school so I can receive a balanced and quick grade eventually. I will find my huge efforts to pursue this future dream. Like me, I'm trying to make clear from my own what is actually definition of doctor profession is, and I was concluded that paramedic profession is related to humanity, which means you need to be at any kind of situation for whoever they are when they need medical help. That is story about my dream. It is hard to be a doctor, but I try to study hard to make me my dream come true in the future. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.